How to disable OneDrive in Windows 11. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can permanently disable the OneDrive from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so disabling OneDrive from your Windows 11 PC or laptop is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the File Explorer from your computer. So I'm going to open up the File Explorer, and from the left side, you'll get to see a few different options. So you just need to find out the OneDrive section. You'll get to see the OneDrive icon with my name right here. So we have it, you just need to right click on this one and then go to the OneDrive right here and go to the settings. And once you get this interface, and you can also come to this page by going to this OneDrive icon right here. You can click on this one, you can click on settings, and you can go to the settings again in order to get into this interface. Now once you're here inside your OneDrive settings, you just need to click on account, and he'll get to see I'm logged in with my account right here. So just need to click on unlink this PC in order to completely disable this one. Click on unlink account, and once you do that, your OneDrive will be disabled from your computer. He'll get to see the OneDrive icon is showing the disable, so you can click on this one and you can sign in back again if you want to. And this is how you can disable the OneDrive in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.